In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Venmo cash out shows complete but bank never got it. So the reason for this may be because there's some error with Venmo themselves. There's actually an error because there is problem with your bank's network, or it may be because there's a problem with Venmo itself. So you can see depending on the error that will appear if the transaction declined because of Venmo or because of the bank. So if you have some issues with your bank transfer, what you can do is you can check the status of the transfer on the Venmo application. You can see if it's pending. It may take around 30 minutes for the transfer to complete. So you can just wait it out for a while and make sure that you have inputted the correct account number. Now, sender transfers can take up to 3 business days to arrive on your bank account if you choose that particular method. Now, if your transfer shows complete in Venmo, you can check your bank statement or contact your bank in order to actually fix this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.